Hello everyone, it's Kevin, and welcome to the last episode of the 2D game tutorial series. Last episode, we stitched together our game using the Game Manager in order to help us transition between scenes. This episode should be extremely short, so let's finish strong. Let's go to the provided end trigger script in your scripts folder. And then we're going to uncomment all of this. Now what this script basically does is once it collides with something, it'll check if that thing is the player, and then it will find the game object with the function find with tag. It'll find the game manager with that function, and then it'll call win game. Now, one thing that you need to be aware of is that the find with tag function is very expensive, so you never want to use this inside of Update. Alright, so then we're just going to save this, go back into Unity, and then open up our player controller. Alright, we're going to go into the health functions. We're going to scroll all the way down to die, and we're going to do the same thing that we did in end trigger script. So you can just copy and paste this middle section right here, right into the script, but instead of win game, we're going to have it be lose game. Cool. And this basically just does the same thing. When we die, we find the game object with the tag game controller, and then we lose the game. Now just save this, and yeah, that should be it. You should be done with a full game. You should have a full game in your hands right now. You should be able to start the game from the main menu, transition to the level, kill enemies, take damage, heal your own health bar, and win or die depending on what you do, and then start over. Congratulations on finishing this portion of Project 1. On behalf of the faculty of the facilitating staff, I'd like to thank you all for watching this series. I can't wait to see what you all make in the future.